What's up YouTube, it's Marsellis, and yesterday I did a video about how I was trading call options, and actually my Carnival Cruise Line option actually went up today, and it only went up 2% today, but that's good because it was down I think 10% yesterday. And if we go over here to the activity that I just did, here you can see I sold 4 of those, limit price 330. And yeah, I was up about only 2%, so that was a $32 gain, which is really nothing, but it says I'm up $44 for the day. So down here for United Airlines, that's the next play that I'm like down on. This is also a call option, but I'm actually very optimistic on this because this is going to be all the way out to June 18th, and it will definitely be above $60 by June 18th. So I'm not really worried about this one. I actually predict this one to be positive by tomorrow. And yeah, it's definitely gonna go up. It's going up right now. It was way lower earlier, so we're definitely gonna see this one go up. United Airlines is coming back, but it's still a little red day, but it's definitely gonna be up. So yeah, I'm probably gonna be doing another options call, or maybe I'll do a put, but I'm trying to find something else to go in on to do options. I was thinking about DoorDash. That's why I only put $1 in the DoorDash, because I'm just watching it, see what it's doing, and it seems to be going down. So if yesterday I put a put on DoorDash, I actually would have made a lot of money. But I did not put a put on DoorDash yesterday. I could have went 2x my money, but yeah. I may do a put on this or a call, because we did just have a big drop, and we've been dropping all week, which means what comes next is something like this right here. So DoorDash may come up. So yeah, it could be a call option that I'm thinking about doing. And I always put my call options at least 3 to 4 months out. I'm gonna put this one all the way out for August, and it says it's down 9% today, which is pretty good because that's a good discount for me. But we are doing all the way out for August, so it would definitely be at 125 by August. Definitely not 200. And 140 would be the realistic price target by August, to 150 maybe. But I don't want to push it. I like to do non-risky call options, so 125 would actually be the cheapest. And I have enough collateral to just buy that. So that's 8K right there. But I'm almost guaranteed to make money. But you know, this is just a small play. I could probably find a better one than this. I've been looking a lot at Apple, but Apple is doing something really weird right now. If we come over here to Apple, Apple is up, and it's just been up all week. So I just kind of feel like Apple has a little bit of room to go down a little bit before it keeps going up, because that's straight up. So I don't want to do a call option on this and then end up having it go down, and then I don't want to do a put and then end up having it go up. So I'm probably gonna hold off on Apple until we see some more movement inside that chart. What else do we have here? So looking at for the day for the most popular stocks, a lot of stocks are actually down. There's more down stocks than there are positive. So here it is, and all the green stocks stop right here, and everything else down here all red. So it's a pretty split day today. I'm more into doing call options than put options because I'm more bullish on the market. So I actually wanted to do an option on Planeteer yesterday, and I should have did that. But I definitely think Planeteer will go up in the long run. Here we have Planeteer. Okay, let's go for June 18th. It's up 9% today. I would say a $25 call is not risky at all. Okay. Yep, I definitely think Planeteer will be $24 by June 18th, because it's at $23.80, and right now the stock is going up. So actually what I will do now is buy some of that stock. I actually have day traded some options before, so I could do that today, but probably wouldn't see much of a gain, so I don't know if it'd even be worth it. But I like doing risky calls, so I'm about to go like all in on this one. That's about 25 shares. No, 27, 26. Okay, so let's see what I can do here. Let's just go in with this. And yeah, let's do this and see how we can flip it. All right, and that's about to August 18th. So, or no, that wasn't August. That was the June 18th one. But yeah, I have that all the way out to June 18th, down 1%. And that's pretty much all of my money that I had right there. This one, I'm definitely very bullish on Planeteer. I don't think Planeteer is going to go down in the long run. And that's definitely, I'm going to definitely hold this one for a long time. So it's only June 18th. So we definitely have a lot of time to go up on that. And yeah, I'll definitely update you on this in the future. If you want to get Planeteer, I definitely think Planeteer will go up. It's definitely a good company, and a lot of people are very bullish on it. But yeah, I definitely think it'll go up in the long run though. But yeah, if you come down here, Planeteer has been founded at 2003, so it's been around since 2003, 2,400 employees, and they have the whole description of the company here. So if you want to go through this, you can go through this. It's pretty standard. This is actually a pretty good company. They're classified as a software company. But yeah, down 156 on the Planeteer call. But yeah, we can definitely see Planeteer going up in the long run. It's been going down all week, and then a few days ago it started going up. So that means that for this whole week, we may just have an up pattern. We just may have an uptrend for the rest of the week, because we had a whole downtrend the other previous weeks. So Planeteer seems like it's about to catch up. And right here, I really feel like we can see levels around $26, $27 soon. But I think $40, it won't get up to around there. I would say about a month or two, maybe a few months. But Planeteer is definitely going to be one of those that goes up. And United Airlines, I just have to wait until June 18th for this one as well. So I have 2 calls for June 18th on 2 different stocks. And this one, I definitely plan on keeping it until close to there, because look, it went down, yeah, but it's just been jumping since then. And it's just been jumping the whole day as well. So I definitely think United Airlines would be a good one to go with. And these are just stuff that I'm watching. I'm watching some cryptos here. So yeah, for today, I feel like the stock market, it's still not back yet. I would say we would need until at least until next month, I guess, or maybe even next week we could start seeing some green. But yeah, we should definitely see some green soon. But yeah, I definitely am planning to see Palantir jump. So yeah, if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe, and I'll be back with another video to update this, show you where this ends up. Because if it even goes up by 10% before the date, I'll probably end up selling it, because I just want to go put my money in on something else. You know, I like to invest in a lot of different things. I like to swing trade, so I'll definitely be investing in and out of things. So if you like this video, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, and I'll be back with another one.